Hello everyone, so today is the 21st of February 2024. Okay, today we will be you will see this meter which is there in front of me in the video. This is it's a mechanical energy meter, which nowadays now we are using these electronic numerical energy meters. They are more accurate. I mean, they are easy to read also. I mean, the human machine interface is now simpler with the introduction of the numerical energy meter, or the digital energy meter in particular. So let us see the like you have these in your home. What are these actually? The very first, see, it's written there as AC, single phase 2-wire static energy meter. This particular meter, it gives you only the kilowatt hour reading. The very first point is, the very first, the red one is in decimal. All right, so for example, right now your kWh consumption, your active power consumption is 24,569.3 kilowatt hour. But the only problem with this is that it is giving you the kilowatt hour consumption. But nowadays, with the development in tariff, we charge the consumers of electricity sometimes on the basis of kVAH also, and the maximum demand is also needed for compiling of the the electricity bill, because if you exceed that particular demand, you will be charged an excess demand consumption, and for that also, that has to be taken into account. That's why we're using meters with kVAH and then maximum demand, and even the voltage, the current also can be read from the present digital meters that we are using nowadays. But rarely we're using these mechanical relays that you see now. These are outdated, but we are replacing in phases only. We are doing it slowly, so that in the next 4 to 5 years, all the mechanical energy meters will be replaced with the digital energy meters. In this video, I'll be just showing you like the very first LED. It keeps blinking as you see there. This is nothing but the calibrated energy consumption, which is in kilowatt hour. Depending on your load, how many loads you are connecting, this will keep blinking. And there is the associated constant with this is the meter constant, or the calibration constant, which I don't know in our case whether it's given or not, but it's always maybe 800 or 600, or how much is given there, calibrated. So yes, it's given us 3200 impulse for every kilowatt hour. That means that depending on your number of loads that you are connecting, for every 1 kilowatt hour of your load, there will be blinking of 3200 times of this calibrated LEDs. And the moment this blinks more, the frequency of blinking is more, more load you are connecting. Okay, it's simply constant only. And the second LED that you see there is the reverse, right? Reverse means that normally when you connect the energy meter, the load side and the supply side is on the left hand side, and the load side is on the right hand side. If by mistake you reverse it, you connect the load side on the left hand side and the supply side on the right hand side. In that case, this as LED will blink, indicating that there is a reverse. But nowadays, with the import export, for example, if you have a solar energy in your house, then it may blink also sometime. If you are exporting energy, you have excess energy in your home. Okay, and the third one is EFLT. This is for example, if your phase, not a neutral too, because the neutral is already earned from the transformer side. If not at your home also, the voltage will be 0. But if your phase, the line is by mistake, it touched earth or touched the body or something, then this particular LED EFLT will glow, indicating that there is an earth fall, or it has touched the body of something, or the earth, right? So that's all. And then the very first one, this right now, because this particular energy meter, it's damaged, that's why it's not blinking, it's not giving any, it's not powering, so it is not moving. Also the kWh consumption, they're indicating in the green button, indicate that the meter has been powered. If this is on, that means it should continue to on, that there is a power flow. All right, there is a power, in fact power flow is there or not, but there is a power supply, so it should be on, right? So this is what we understand about this meter. You see the current rating also 5 to 20 ampere. So this particular meter will be suitable only up to 1 kilowatt only. Okay, but and this is the recharge company Richa Equipment Private Limited. All right. But this particular meter is used only for, is used, this one has been used for the tower, which is actually illegal, because tower, they'll have a connected load of 6 to 8 and the consumption is also more. That's why we recommend that they install a new meter, digital meter, maybe that of a certain amount. I mean, that it also depend on them. All right, so this is what we know about this meter.